Wow. Well, we just got here, right? It's now 7:15. As soon as we got here, right, dogs out and then awning up. Look. Whiskey and dark fruits and fire. And Sammy in a spotty dress. Oh, there's me at the sweat. You know, here, hammered everything up, chilled out now. Awesome, awesome. But if you look up there, I got a bit cloudy. Where's the sun? Give me some sun. Should be out soon anyway. Well, tomorrow. But sorted. So, we're nice. Have a quick look round. A few on here. Yeah, there's my baby. There's my rotties. Look at the rotties. Where are you? Let me find. Yeah. There's one. There's the other wagging. Are you wagging, Saf? Aye, aye. Right. Oh, I'd also like to thank everybody for the subscribing. We've now got 100 subscribers, which is buzzing, so cheers. Awesome. And the 100th subscriber was Happy Traveller. I think something like that it was. Oh, brilliant, brilliant. Excellent. Watch their channel, well recommended. Brilliant. Buzzing, so cheers to all the subscribers. Cheers. Black cherry whiskey, Red Stag. Awesome. Awesome. See you in a bit. Well, it's raining a bit, but I've still got my fire going. You know, something light. Whiskey. Cup of tea. I love camping. Dark fruits. And Sammy, what have you got for me, Duck? Oh, look who's here.
Sausage roll for you.
Oh, look at this, baby. A foot long. Yes. Sorted. So we can cut that up, eh?
Yeah.
Have a little bit of that.
Cut it off, half for you, half for me.
Half each. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, still nice, even though we got a bit of rain. There's Sapphire. Rambo was seeing the sausage roll. Look at him there. Yeah. It's still warm though. You know. Even though I put this on, because I did have just my vest on, but just sitting here you can still feel the warmth. Now I'm warm.
Yeah.
And ooh. That's it. She knows I look after me, don't I? Aye, aye. Lovely. You can't beat something nice to eat when you're camping. I love the food. There's Sam getting tucked in hers. Gary, look at the size of that. Lovely. Lovely. Yeah, I think see Dean's trike over there. Lovely. Yeah, baby. Oh. You know, it's only about 7:30, is it? Still early. I think it might have stopped raining now with luck. I've kept my fire in. These from Morrison's. What was it? £1.50 it says on. Foot long. Can I fault it? That's lovely. You can't beat chilling out when you come, can you? Brilliant. Right. It's still light, and it'll probably be light for another 2 hours. About 2 hours it'll start getting dark, and it'll be outside. We're outside as soon as it stops. Actually, I think it might have stopped. It's all very, very faint now. But I'll try and get back out my fire. When I've got this roll, I'll venture out. See you later. You know, what a lovely night. So we've got a fire. Look at Sam. But look at Big Bertha. How good's Big Bertha, Luke? What a lovely night. We're chilling. I'm on the whiskey still. Sammy's been to the pub to pay. And she's back and she's half asleep. And I'm sitting, I'm just looking at the camper and thinking, wow, let me just put a quick vid up to show how beautiful Big Bertha looks at this time of night. I mean, it's nearly dark. It's awesome. How nice that look. Quick look here at Sammy, half dead. A beautiful fire. Brilliant. Buzzing. There's, you know, people in the that's our old caravan over there waiting to see a fire. You know, just looking about. Let me look about. Yeah, what a lovely night. I tell you. You know them clouds, but you know, it's not raining, it's warm. It's just buzzing, buzzing, buzzing. The dogs are still out, chilling. There we go. Look at Sammy there. Aye. Right. Oh, well. Oh, yeah. Big Bertha. Awesome camper. We just love this. A pleasure. Me and Sammy get from this camper. It's just amazing. You can't beat it. Right. Catch you later. We're gone. Well, it's 10:30. Look at the glow off the fire. That's the rest of a sausage roll. You know, I feel ravenous. Yeah. Let me just show you. I've just put the kettle on as well, because it's going to be to brew. See if we can see. That's Sammy asleep. Well, there was a bit of movement then.
I'm not asleep.
I'm not asleep, she says. Yeah. You know, she's been like that for about half an hour since she got back. Well, the glow on my face. Yeah, I've got the kettle on because I'm dying for a brew and a couple of whiskies. Awesome. I got a bit hungry, so I thought I'd sit the rest of that foot long. Oh, as if. As if. Well, I'll take you with me, eh? We'll go into the camper. Oh yeah, look at this. I don't know if you can see that. Can we get it? Let's put a bit more light on in here. Oh yeah, look at that. And what have we got here? Kettle. Oh, you can't beat the kettle, can you? Yeah. Oh. There's Sam's coffee. 2 spoonfuls. 2 spoonfuls of coffee, is it? And there's my cup of tea. You know, we both have it black. No sugar, no milk. And we've had no sugar for about 20 years. Oh, just rinse my spoon before I put it in my tea. Now it worse than tasting coffee in your tea, is it? Oh. Well, it's been a lovely night. It is. Sam will have this and go bed. Aye. Look. Yeah, baby. That's it. Sorted. Right. That's it. LEDs. LEDs. Oh. Let's carry these out. And it's dark. I know you can't see me, but you can hear me. Right, but you might be able to see the light. That's where we're going to. Yeah, baby. Right. Put mine down. Yeah, Sammy. There's your cuppet. Let it cool down because it's red hot. Just been made. Oh, yeah. Well, it's a bit hard to see me, isn't it? Right, I'll probably see you tomorrow anyway, because it's, you know, dark and you can't see me. Oh, I just poked this fire. Oh, yeah. Right, I'll see you in the morning. Nice and early. Bushy-eyed, yeah. Well, morning. It's 10 to 6. This is our bed up here. Over the cab. Yeah, see if I can see. Oh, there's the rotties down there. All cuddled up asleep, both of them. 10 to 6 in the morning. I could hear the check-ins for about the last half hour. Sammy asleep. A bit hard to see because it's a bit darkish up here, but oh, I might get up in a minute. Alright. How good's it look, eh? See how we can get the rotties and everything. Right. Yeah, baby. You know, ever so comfy up here. It is. Oh, where's my army? Four's army. Right. I'll catch you later. Morning. Well, I fell back asleep. It's now 8 o'clock. Sammy's still asleep. How good's that? Thought I was going to get up at very good time was 6. There's the dogs. Look at the dogs here. You see the rotties? The rotties won't go out. Don't you, Saf? Rambo? Oh, hey, it's warm. What's up? You won't go out? In a minute. Look how gorgeous you look. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. There we go. Where you going? Can we actually see that way? I'm up the ladder. Oi. Right, I better get up. Get the cat one. Put dogs out, get cat one. Right, and see what sort of day we woke up to again. Right. Well, bit of bacon time, eh? Sam says, I'm hungry, get some bacon on the go. Yeah, baby. Right, let's get this lit. Hey, a bit of wind. I tell you, a bit of wind. Get my tongs out. Oh wow, I've just done the bread. Oh yeah, baby, how nice. You know, I love cooking bacon butties when we're camping. And the oatcakes. That's it. Right. Well, we've only got 4 in here. We've got another pack of bacon, haven't we?
Yeah.
That's it. I'll get these 4 on the go. These 4 pieces. That's it. Put that on the bin. Put that there. Just look at them. Nice. Done the bread. Everything done. Got my pie. Just have a wander around. Look how nice it is outside with that camera. The sun's out. We've got a little bit of wind, but the sun is out. The sky is blue. Bacon's cooking for me and you. I'm a poet. That is it. These stoves. I've just got a new gas out anyway because it's low. But these stoves are awesome. And just turn it a little bit. They're just brilliant. Awesome stoves. You know, like they're from B&M's, 20 quid. Your gas for 4 is like £4.99. They last quite a few cooks. You know, quite a bit. They're well worth having. They're just amazing. Oh, Aaron got me onto these because at home I've got a petrol one, unleaded, cost me, God, like 140 quid. You know, and I like unleaded anyway because of the wind. And he come camping once at one of these. And I'm telling you what, I was that impressed because he just, you know, was like around the fire, he just got the stove out and he was doing, you know, like bacon, you know, and all that on it. I thought, yes, so what? Well, as soon as we got home I bought one and we used it. It's just awesome. These are cooking lovely. Awesome. You know, for just getting out. They come in like a little suitcase thing, a little box. Just whip them out, you're cooking. You know, oatcakes on them, brilliant. Bacon, whatever you want, awesome. Just brilliant. Oh, yeah, just left up so you can see this bubbling, Sam. Just look at this. My mouth is watering. Look. All the bread's done. That's awesome. That's proper cooking. You can't beat it. I do spoiler when we come camping, I do all the cooking. We have a barbie later. Right, so we'll see you in a bit. Right, sorted. That's it. Wow, how nice is it? Now we got some visitors. Jim, Tasha, Logan, Livia, you on cam? Wave. There's Sammy. There's me in my new hat. Well, we just lit the barbie. Look at that.
Logan, shall we go and put it back where it was?
No, just leave it there. Yeah. So, I can do some cooking in a minute. Oh yeah. Look forward to it. Logan's bought his dinosaurs. Aye, aye. Yeah, nice. Oh, it's lovely. It's so hot, it's amazing. I don't know where the sun is over there, and it's just that bright. Right, look at that barbie now. You know that's ready. Right, Sam, if we can get some food out, I'll get cooking.
Yeah.
See you later. Look at them. 8 burgers. Look, smile. Yeah. That's Missy. There's Missy. Rambo and Saffy's paw. There's Sapphire lying flat out. There's Rambo. Hey, watch my tongs. Bring them here. They're cooking. Right. Beautiful. What lovely sky. Look at that. Hey. Oh yeah. Yeah, I guess I've got to turn some of these over. Oh wow, just keep them turning. It's over nice. Oh yeah, baby.
That's a hot fire cooker.
It is, it's very hot. It is.
Logan, try and catch me.
Sorted. Don't mess with that now because it's got burger on. Right, that's it. There's the start. See you later. Just look at them now. Them are cooked, nearly cooked. Yeah. And we've got some, Samuel, we've got some chops, haven't we? And some ribs go on. Awesome. Got Can't wait. Lovely. Nice log of your burger. Look at this, I've just put on ribs. 4 ribs and 3 lovely big fit chops. And there you are, look at everybody. Oh, beautiful. Grand burger. Oh, yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Well done. Oh, you can't beat it. You can't beat it.
Let's sit down, Doc.
Beautiful. Right.
Is this orange juice?
Yeah, you got orange juice as well. Yeah, there's my burger. Right, let's eat it. Look at them now. Them are cooking so nice, them chops. And them, what the others, barbecue. Ribs, aren't they, that's it. Look at them. Sorted. Lovely. Sam and the kids, they're with the chickens. I think they're feeding them. Let's have a look what we can see. We can see the chickens, they're over there. Yeah, look at them. Yeah, and the kids are in there. I think they're collecting all the eggs. Lovely. As soon as they come out, we'll give them a shout. Yeah, wave! He collected the eggs. Oh wow, we got eggs. Look at these. Tons of chickens about. Oh, lovely. Brilliant. I'll go have a look what they've got. Yeah. It's lovely, this pen is. It's massive. It's ginormous. And here they're coming. Yeah, look at the chickens. I've got you. Yeah, you have to show me all the eggs you've got. Oh wow, look at that. Careful you don't drop them. Oh, beautiful them are. Just help him, Sam, in case he move. Oh, they're brilliant. Oh, the kids love it. How's you, Sam?
I'm alright, thank you.
Good, good, good. Oh, look at these. Have a zoom in. All them chicken eggs. Oh, that's brilliant. That's it.
You've got to give them Sam.
Yeah, give them Sam so she can...
Sam's taking them now. Yeah, we've got to go in the toilets now and wash our hands.
Right.
There we go. Thank you.
Right, we'll see you in a bit.
Yeah, that's
We've been filming the chickens with the kids. And now, Sherm, the cook. Look at this. They are perfect, mate. Oh, them chops look lovely. It's kind of beat this weather. We love camping, don't we, mate? Yeah. The only thing missing is a bit of water to get the kayak on. Because he is the kayak master, aren't you? Yeah. That's it. I've got with the pipe. See it, side of you. Put a nice cloud up in the air. Nice big cloud. That was a good one. Yeah. Awesome. There's his beer. We're only here for the beer. Well, brilliant. I think all these are now nicely cooked now, aren't they? Brilliant.
I want to cook, so I'll taste it.
Yeah, have a bite. Have a watch up being yourself, mate. How's it look inside? Let's get. Yeah. Don't forget the food. Yeah, you can feed the pigs. Is that getting there?
Yeah.
That's it, sorted. Right. Yeah, that's it. There's Rambo. There's Sapphire lying down. Missy's got round the other side of the car. Right, see you later. Oh wow, we've had a great day. Bear the fire in. Keep the fire in. I don't even know the time. We've got a whiskey or two. The kids have been picking blackberries and apples. What a beautiful night. Look how nice everywhere looks. Tell you, cracking. Had a cracking barbie. Cheers. Bottoms up. Had a cracking barbie. There's my daughter. There's Shame. Top kayaker. There's my lady. Enjoys my cooking. Doesn't do much when she gets here, kidding. There's the Rotties all chilling. There's Missy. Yeah, I forgot you, Rambo. Look how good the camper looks in this light. The sun's gone down. Sun's setting over there, if we can find it on cam. God knows, over there anyway. Beautiful. Come on, kids out there. Oh, camper, look. Here's Logan. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Say hello, Liv. Hello.
so we've been picking blackberries.
Oh, you're picking blackberries. Rambo!
And apples.
And apples. Grandma's going to make a blackberry and apple crumble, isn't she?
Yeah, but I put the apples in the water where the blackberries are.
Brilliant. Brilliant. Right. Brilliant. That's it. And we'll see you later. How dark is it? What a lovely night. Hey, the fire is blaring. We've got everybody here. Who's that? Logan. We got Tasha. Yeah. We got Livia. Where's Livia with the torch? Yeah. We've got, you won't be able to lift it that way. We got Sammy, that's it. We got Shane, who's nicking my table. Don't forget my whiskies on here and everything.
I'm not nicking it, I'm just trying to move it over a little bit.
Oh, alright. That's it, Pete. What a fire. What a fire. You know I glow.
I'm sitting on a bump.
Have we all had a good night?
Yeah.
Brilliant. We've had a good day. Tell you, you just can't beat it. You can't beat it, can you, Logue?
No.
We love camping, don't we, mate? Yeah. Hey, oh, look at all there. How nice. Brilliant. Let's see if I can find Sam. Yeah, there's Sam and Shame. There's Logan's form. There's Tash, Olivia and Logan. Careful, we don't be going that way. And there's me. See you later. Awesome. Morning. That was a lovely lie-in. 8:45 it is. Would you believe it? Everyone's asleep. Oh, how quiet the site is. The sun's blaring. Beautiful. Aye, aye. Sunday morning. It is. Just put the dogs out and everything. And sitting here. I need to tidy up as well. Ah, right. Wow. We're having some lovely weather. It's kind of faulty, right? I'll see you later. Just had my breakfast. I've had Frosties and rice cakes and milk. The kids are eating theirs. Sammy's in the sun. Can we see you? Lovely. That's it. There's Livy.
Spilled milk on my shoes.
Yeah, you spilt milk on your shoes. The dogs are eating their breakfast. Come out here with that. Oh, never right. It's beautiful. Look, what a day, what a day. Excellent. For dinner, we'll be having some bacon and oatcakes and cheese. Sorted. Well, we just took the awning down and put the in the bin and put the wine in, one out. Olivia has been collect some apples with Grandma.
Grandma, you have to
Logan's been helping me.
Try one. We're going to make
Put the stove
We
in.
need to save some of them.
Tash is over there chilling. It's lovely. It's look this wind
Yeah.
out awning is awesome. Put some pegs in it in case we have any gusts. Look how good it looks. brilliant. Aye, aye. Proper brilliant. Buzzing. Ah. Brill. Yeah, we're going to do a bit of cooking in a minute. Do you want some dinner? Oatcakes and all that. Oh yeah. There's Rambo. He's lovely. He loves this wind out one. Because usually he climbs under the camper. He does. But when this is out, he just comes and stands under it or lies under it. Whew, God, it's lovely. It's amazing. Right. Right. We'll be cooking in a bit.
Yeah.
Whew, red hot again. Awesome weather. Sunday, on the way home in a few hours. But, you know, we'd rather stay here. Oh, I tell you. Brilliant. Right. See you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit. Well, we're back. Excellent time. Brilliant. Brilliant weekend again. And like on Saturday, you know, had the kids come down and all that. Brilliant. Joined us. Brilliant. Brilliant. Can't believe how hot it is. I haven't unpacked yet. You know, but I'm just sweltering. Yeah, this weather you just can't fault. Brilliant. Brilliant. Right. If you have been enjoying my videos, it'd be ace if you subscribed. I've got like 105 now. I've had like 5 over weekend. Proper buzzing. Buzzing. Ah, right. I'll see you soon on his next adventure. See you soon.